So, there is a misconception. We feel that you work on your personality if you are a underconfident person, if you don't look good, or if you face any kind of failures and challenges, you're not successful in many of the domains, then you think on working on your personality. I feel personality development is now also enwired with psychology and many other studies, which shows it is not just when you fail, it is not just when you feel that you're not getting the right kind of responses. It is also when you don't feel good. It's not about if people are appreciating and praising you, but you're not feeling good. Then also you need some sessions of personality development, which are imbibed with, with the counseling and psychologically backed assessments, which gives you reality check of who you are. So yeah, and today we are very happy to have this next session. It's the day 7 with this person, and we are going to have this gratitude journaling session. Okay, so coming back to about sharing about the person, we have had a few sessions. One is of journaling. She is not able to do the journaling properly yet because of few reasons. She says that I don't feel motivated first to write. Second, I don't feel. Second is that she feels that the prompts that those are provided to her, she is not getting the answers for those from the prompts, or she gets just the one line answer for the prompt. But I also want to tell that of course there is lack of motivation, means you are not understanding either the importance of journaling, or you are not you have not ever done the self talk. You don't know much about you, you don't have much to say about you or what your brain thinks. Then it's again more alarming and more challenging and more important for you to start journaling as soon as possible. And second, if the prompts are not helping you, you think that prompts are not helping me, I would say journaling is always without the prompts. How was your day? What prompt do you need? This question every day is how was your day? What experience you had yesterday? Prompts are to help you, touch all the different areas of your brain which you might not otherwise reach to. So, for example, how was your day is a generalized question. So, if you today wants to write about how my friend helped me yesterday, you start writing about your friendship. You start writing about how your friendship grew. You might end up also writing how you are not finding your friend very as expected with you. You might also end up remembering another friend while writing about one friend. So this zone or this genre you must have otherwise not touched. Prompts are for that. Another thing, the people who feel that journaling prompts are helpful and they feel it's good for them, we are more happy about it because it means that this was the trigger that you otherwise could have not sensed, but now you are putting it on the prompts, that because of the prompts I'm writing, otherwise I would have not thought like this. But those are your thoughts. It's coming through a prompt, but those are your thoughts. You have to work on those thoughts now. So the thoughts are positive, negative, mixed, both. It could be neutral thought also. If you think that about this person I feel good, I feel okay, then okay. But if you feel there is a challenge, then you have to work on it. And how do you work on it? I help you in that case. Then we navigate you through those thoughts. So that's how journaling is a slow process, and that's how it helps you. And one day you become your own doctor just by doing the journaling.